From the very first moment you see it, the Toyota double-decker camper motorhome doesn't just look like a vehicle, it looks like the future of luxury travel. A towering masterpiece on wheels, crafted for explorers who refuse to compromise comfort for adventure. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most advanced double-deck motorhomes ever built by Toyota. From ultra-luxurious interiors to intelligent space design, from panoramic views to hotel-grade comfort, this camper completely redefines what life on the road can feel like. So sit back, relax, and get ready to experience a full tour of a camper that transforms every journey into a first-class experience. Let's begin. The moment you step inside the Toyota double-decker camper motorhome, you immediately feel as if you've entered a world where luxury, engineering, and futuristic living merge seamlessly. The interior doesn't just feel like the inside of a vehicle, it feels like you've walked into a high-end penthouse that just happens to be built on wheels. As the door closes behind you, the soft ambient lighting automatically brightens the lower deck and reveals one of the most elegant RV interiors Toyota has ever created. Every surface, every panel, every stitch, nothing feels accidental. Everything seems crafted with precision to make long-distance travel not only comfortable but absolutely unforgettable. Right in front of you is the main living area, designed with premium leather sofa seating that wraps around the side like a luxurious lounge. The stitching details stand out with perfection, giving the seats that boutique luxury feel found only in high-class automotive interiors. The panoramic windows allow natural light to spill in, making the entire lower deck feel open and inviting. When the sun sets, the LED ambient lighting takes over and transforms the space into a warm, cozy environment with customizable color tones. Everything feels incredibly modern. You can immediately sense that this space isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating an environment you can live in for days or weeks without ever feeling cramped or bored. As you walk deeper inside, the large high-resolution infotainment screen catches your eye. It's mounted elegantly on the wall, blending seamlessly into the wooden paneling. This screen connects wirelessly to your devices and integrates with Toyota's smart home-style control system, allowing you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. It's intuitive, futuristic, and something you'd expect in a luxury hotel suite rather than an RV. The living room also includes multiple hidden storage compartments engineered so cleverly that unless you open them, you wouldn't even know they exist. Travelers can store bedding, clothes, food supplies, or camping gear without cluttering the main area. Moving a little further, you find the centerpiece of the lower deck, the fully equipped kitchen. It features a marble-finished countertop that immediately enhances the luxury vibe. The surface feels premium, durable, and easy to clean. Next to it is a modern stainless steel sink, an induction cooking range, and a beautifully integrated refrigerator and freezer unit. The cabinets have a matte finish with chrome handles that feel solid and refined. Overhead LED strips illuminate the entire kitchen space, making food preparation both easy and visually satisfying. Whether you want to prepare a full meal or just make coffee while traveling through scenic mountain routes, this kitchen feels ready for anything. Even the ventilation system is cleverly designed to ensure the interior remains fresh and free from cooking odors. Across from the kitchen is the dining area. Toyota crafted a space-efficient folding table that opens smoothly and locks firmly in place. The seating around the table is soft, supportive, and comfortable for long conversations, meals, or even laptop work during travel. This is where families can gather to share breakfast, where travelers can review their route plans, and where the journey truly becomes meaningful. As you turn toward the front, the driver cabin comes into view. The dashboard is a masterpiece, a mix of digital sophistication and Toyota's signature ergonomic design. The large touchscreen infotainment center dominates the console, offering maps, vehicle settings, and entertainment options. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with metallic trim, and the instrument cluster displays crisp digital information with smooth animations. The panoramic windshield enhances the sense of openness, giving the driver a clear view of the road and surroundings. This cabin feels less like an RV and more like a futuristic concept car cockpit. Now, moving toward the most distinctive feature of this motorhome, the staircase leading to the upper deck. The steps are finished with polished wood, and LED strips under each step create a dramatic visual effect, especially at night. The glass railing gives it a luxury yacht-like vibe. As you walk up the staircase, the lighting automatically brightens, guiding you elegantly to the upper level. When you reach the upper deck, you enter the master bedroom, the crown jewel of the Toyota double-decker camper. This entire floor is dedicated to relaxation and comfort. The king-size bed sits at the center, surrounded by soft fabric textures, warm lighting, and beautifully crafted side panels. The panoramic side windows give you a wide view of the scenery outside, whether you're parked near a forest, desert, or mountain pass. The highlight of the room is the long skylight above the bed, allowing you to gaze at the stars at night or wake up naturally with the morning sunlight streaming in. The bedroom includes built-in wardrobes, hidden storage drawers, and a compact entertainment screen mounted at the foot of the bed. Every detail feels refined, from the premium stitching on the headboard to the carefully chosen color palette that calms the senses. Attached to the master bedroom is the luxury bathroom. Opening the door reveals a space that looks far more upscale than any typical motorhome washroom. The glass shower cabin features chrome fixtures and a rainfall-style shower head. The stone-textured walls give the washroom a spa-like feel, while the marble sink counter and illuminated mirror elevate its modern appeal. The ventilation is silent but powerful, and the warm lighting adds a soothing ambience. Heading back to the lower deck, you notice how smooth the transitions between spaces feel. Toyota has intentionally designed each area with acoustic padding that reduces noise from the engine and road. Even when traveling at high speed, conversations remain comfortable, and the upper deck remains peaceful enough for sleeping or reading. The climate control system is centrally managed and keeps both levels equally comfortable, regardless of weather conditions outside. The flooring throughout the lower deck is beautifully polished wood with anti-slip treatment, while the bedroom features soft, plush carpeting to enhance comfort. The cabinets feel solid, the surfaces gleam with luxury, and every corner of the motorhome feels thoughtfully designed. It's not just about traveling, it's about traveling in absolute comfort while enjoying the feeling of a premium mobile home. As you sit back in the living lounge at the end of the tour, you realize the Toyota double-decker camper motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a complete lifestyle experience. It's a home for adventurers, families, explorers, and those who want their travel to be wrapped in innovation and luxury. Whether you're driving across countries or simply escaping for a weekend getaway, this motorhome transforms every journey into a story worth remembering.